Hello everyone, I'm Diana, sales representative in Powerworld. Powerworld is a listed heat pump manufacturer, integrating research and design, production, sales and services. We provide OEM and ODM for clients. The next thing I am to introduce is the Powerworld Mini Inverter Pole Heat Pump. The Mini Pole Heat Pump is tailored for spa pools and bathtubs. It features a compact design that is easy to install and ready to use, blending seamlessly into any environment. By using high-efficient and energy-saving 4DC inverter technology, the operating power can be automatically adjusted, with its 50% more energy saving than the on-off system. The user experience is more comfortable. The Mini Pole heat pump is powerful, stable, and energy sufficient to keep the pole at a comfortable temperature for each user all year round. If you have any question about the Mini heat pump, please leave a message to communicate. See you next time.